Good morning, everybody. Our class for today is the following the sequence of an story. In this moment, I am going to share information with you that it is going to help you to know more about this topic, okay? Let me show you the information. Okay. Sequence of an story. Okay? Okay. All the microphones need to be in silence, okay? Start. Our end in mind for today is make inferences about the story or predict what is going to happen in the story, okay? Our agenda for today is vocabulary and unscrambled words. Retell the story through pictures, parts of a story. Predict about the story. Write in sequence all the sentences according with the process. And finally, answer activity 1 in your learning log at page 36. You are going to use your learning log at page 36, okay? Look at the following picture and repeat with me. Don't mute your microphones. In silence. Class. Repeat. Class. With your microphone in mute. No enciendan su micrófono, chicos. En silencio y van a ir repitiendo. Class. Class. Okay. Mariana Ramírez. Spell the word class.
C-L-A-S-S.
Thank you. Now, the following word is lost. Repeat, lost. Lost. Jared, spell the word lost, please.
L-O-S-T. Lost.
Lost. Excellent. Loretta, what is the meaning of the word lost? Do you know? Can you give me an example of something that is lost? Alexis. Okay. Your partner says. Thank you. Thank you, Loretta. The next word. Look at the next word. Repeat. Paste. 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 Anna, spell the word paste.
Paste. P-A-S-T-E. Paste.
Thank you. Jesus Viviano, what is the meaning of the word paste? Jesus, what is the meaning of the word paste? No? Valeria Itzayana, the meaning of the word paste?
Pegar.
Yes, of course. Thank you. Now, you are going to use your language notebook. Open your language notebook, please. You have 4 different words. You need to correct the words. All the words are in this order, and you are going to write correctly, okay? I am going to take participation in this activity. The first person who show me your hand on the screen, it is going to get a point, okay? Hurry up, you have 1 minute. 1 minute to write the words correctly, okay? When you finish, show me your hand on the screen. Your virtual hand, not your hand, your virtual hand, okay? Hurry up. Diego tiene su teléfono o lo que esté usando al revés y lo veo de cabeza. Ok, Diego. Thank you. Unscramble the words. Hurry up. Leonel Tristan have finished. Who else? Okay, the other is Sebastián Servín. Thank you. Alexis, remember, virtual hand. Okay, thank you. Alexis is the other. Who else? Luis Enrique. Luis Enrique. Regina. Okay. I am going to start. Y David Jesús. Okay. I am going to start with Marcos. Thank you. I am going to start with Loretta. What is the first word?
Grocery store.
Grocery store. Thank you. You get a point. Thank you. The second word is para Leonel Tristan. What is the word, Leonel?
Closet.
No.
The answer of the second word, what is the word?
No, dile no. I'm sorry, no he terminado.
I'm sorry.
Esta no ha terminado.
Okay.
No.
Janet, the word, what is the second word?
Class.
Class, excellent. Thank you. Mariana Ramirez, the third word. One, two.
Lost.
Lost, thank you. Frida, the next word.
Lost. Digo. Post.
No. Okay. Marcos, what is the word? No. Marcos, no. Sophie, what is the word?
Paste.
Paste. Excellent. Paste. You get a point. Now, you have another opportunity to get a point. Look carefully the following picture. You need to order the pictures according with the story. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Okay? You have 40 seconds to order the story according with these pictures, okay? Sebastián Servín, what is the first picture? What happened first? Servín?
Un autobús.
Servín? This is the first picture?
Un autobús.
If this is the first picture, in this order appears in your book? No. Okay. Okay, let me give the opportunity to another person. Jared, you participate in the other activity. I need a different person. Loretta participates in the other activity. Who say, I want to participate? Okay, Alexis. What is the first picture, Alexis? If you want to speak in Spanish, you can speak in Spanish.
Okay. La de la esquina de la derecha.
Can you describe the picture, please?
Donde está buscando cuando se despertó.
Yes, of course. This is the first picture. This is the first picture. David Jesus, what is the second picture?
Bus station.
In the bus, yes, of course. When Ryan go to school, in the school bus, yes, of course. Okay, Sebastián Blancas, what is the third picture? Sebastián Blancas? The third picture is? What is the third picture, Sebastián?
Sí, third pictures. ¿Ustedes?
No, Sebastián. Emilio, what is the third picture?
Cuando le dan los repostes a su mamá.
Yes, of course. When mom is going to paste all the posters. Thank you. And finally, Ian, what is the last picture?
Donde encontraron a Max.
When mom and Ryan found the dog Max. Okay, excellent. Now look this information. Pay a lot of attention because this information is going to help you to organize the next exercise. Okay? Okay. In a story, we have three parts. Beginning, that gives you an insight about the main part of the story. The middle, in when the characters change and grow along the story. And finally, the ending, the final or concluding parts, and there is no more to add, okay? Okay, now, look at this. You have another opportunity to participate in the class. Only you are going to answer yes or not. No more, only yes or not. I am going to read the sentences and you are going to answer yes or not. Is clear? Okay. Max's family will be worried. Jesus Leonardo? Max's family will be worried. Jesus? Max's family will be worried. Thunder, Max's family will be worried. You need to answer yes or not.
No.
Sophie, do you agree? What is the answer, Sophie?
¿En la 2?
No, number one, Max's family will be worried?
No.
No. Do you agree, Sayana? What is the answer in Sayana?
Yes.
Yes, Max's family is worried because Max is lost. And number two is for David Alexander. Ryan will go to school, David?
No, que no funcionaba mi cable.
Cierren su micrófono, chicos.
Yes!
Yes, of course. Thank you. You have a point. Another is Luis Enrique. Mom will help find Max?
Yes.
Yes, of course, because mom is going to make a posters, no? And the next question is for Aranza. Max will play in different places, Aranza. Max will play in different places.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, of course. Surely he is going to play in a different places because he is lost, no? And finally, Cecia, Ryan will find Max. Cecia?
Yes.
Yes, of course. He is going to find Max in one place. Okay. In this moment, you are going to use, again, your language notebook. Imagine that you are Ryan and you have a Max. You have a dog called Max. But Max was in the dumpster and is very, very, very empty. Okay? For that reason, you are going to take a bag to Max, okay? Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. And now you are going to bat Max, okay? In this space, there are different sentences. You need to order according with the steps. What is the process to make a bat? Okay? You need to read the information. For example, the first sentence said, put him in the water. Second, dry him with a towel. Third, fill a tube with soap. Now, catch your dog. Then, rub the socks all over your dog. In this moment, the first question is for Regina. What is the first step that you need to do if you want to bat Max? What sentence could be number one? What is sentence number one, Regina? No? Okay, another opportunity for another person. Emilio, what is the first sentence?
What, teacher?
What is the first sentence? What is the process that I need to follow to bat Max? What could be sentence number one?
¿Le pregunta al cartero?
No. No, no, no. Look at this information. This information is different. Marco Said, what is the first sentence?
Number 3.
Number 3. Luis Enrique, do you agree that is number 3?
Yes.
Yes?
Number 3.
Number 3 is number 1? I don't think so. David Jesus, what is number 1?
Number 2.
Number 2 is number 1? I don't know. Mariana Ramirez, what is number 1?
Number 4.
Number 4 is number 1. You get a point, Mariana. This is number 1. Okay, Mariana, get a point. Okay, number 2, Gretel. What is number 2?
La 5.
This is number 2. Fidel, do you think that this is number 2? Fidel? What is number 2, Fidel?
Number 3.
Number 3 is number 2? I don't think so. Frida, number 2. What is sentence number 2?
Number 1.
Number 1. This is number 2. First, you need to catch your dog. Then, put him in the water. This is correct. What is the following step, Ian?
La 3.
Number 3. Excellent. Number 3 is 3. Number 4. Jared. Jared. Number 4, Jared. Jared, your microphone. What is number 4?
Number 3.
Number 3 is number 4? No, incorrect. Frida, what is
3.
number 3? Number 4, sorry.
Number 5.
Number 5. Number 5 is number 4. And finally, number 5 is number. Okay? Look at this. First, I need to catch my dog. Then, I put him in the water. The next step is fill the tube with soap. Then, rub the suds over my dog. And finally, dry him with a towel. Okay? Do you check the information? Okay. Now, you are going to open your learning log at page 36. Open your learning log, please. On page 36, you have a graphic organizer to organize all the information. The first step that you need to follow is try to remember what are the characters that take part in the story. You need to write all the names of the characters, okay? The next step is know what is the problem. And finally, the places, you need to write the places in which Ryan looked for Max, okay? That's okay?
Teacher, where is the page?
36. Page 36, you are going to do the exercise, okay? All of you, page 36. 36. Sander, do you finish? Sander, do you finish your exercise? Because you need to write all the information. Write all the information in your language note, in your learning log, please.
Yes.
Okay. Do you finish? All? Everything do you finish?
Yes.
¿Ya terminaste de escribir todo lo que se te pide ahí? Hurry up. Hurry up, please. Jared, do you finish? Luis Enrique,
Yes.
Sayana. Okay, thank you. Emilio. Who else? Mariana Ramírez. Mariana Lisette, do you finish?
Teacher,
I got a question.
Tell me.
tengo una duda.
What is
Los
your doubt?
que los tenemos que enviar a la plataforma.
No, there is no unavailable
Oh, yes.
activity. Only you need to participate with this information in the class. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I am going to start with, pay attention. It's very important. There are a lot of characters in the story, but you are going to mention only one, no more, only one. And if your partner said that name, this doesn't count. Okay? Okay, I am going to start with Sebastián Servín. Tell me the name of one character, only one. Ryan, thank you. Ryan, thank you. Another character, David Jesus.
Dog.
What is the name of the dog?
Max.
Thank you. Jared, another character.
Male career.
Male career, excellent. Loretta, another character.
Bus driver.
Bus driver, excellent. Luis Enrique, another character.
Grocer.
Grocer, excellent. Sophie, another character.
Male career.
A male career was mentioned. Another different.
Mom.
Mom, excellent. That's all the characters in the story. Chicos, faltan 3 minutos para que nos saque la aplicación de Zoom. Si nos saca, se vuelven a meter, por favor. ¿Sí? Bueno, ok. Okay, now, what is the problem, Frida? The problem is?
Is lost.
Who is lost?
Max.
Max is lost. Excellent. You get a point. Thank you. Max is lost. This is the problem. Max is lost. Now, it's Ayana. Mention one place in which Ryan looked for Max.
Grocery store.
Grocery store. Another place, Marco Said. Another place, Marcos? No? Mariana Lisette, in which place Ryan looked for Max?
Es algo que le está pasando a mi.
In which place? No, Sander. Another place? Fidel, another place?
Atrás de la casa.
Around the house. Yes, of course. Thank you. Another place, Jared?
Under the bed.
Under the bed. Yes. This is the first place in which Ryan looked for Max. Sophie, another place?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Yes, of course. Thank you. Another place, Luis Enrique?
Look outside.
Look outside. Excellent. Look outside for Max. Now, I am going to show you if your answers were correct, okay? Let me show you if your answers were correct. Look at this. Yes, of course, your answer were correct. The characters is Max, Ryan, Mom, mail carrier, grocery, and bus driver. The places where Ryan looked for Max, house, around the town, and grocery store.